Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. As per usual, I didn't really know who Bad Bunny is and still don't. Yeah, Puerto Rican artist, but that's as far as I go. It doesn't mean I can't appreciate his collaboration with Adidas. Let's take a close look at the Adidas Bad Bunny Back to School collab. Man, I totally missed out on these. There were two previous releases of the Bad Bunny collab, and I caught wind of it on the tail end, which was this back to school edition. The previous ones were the pink Easter egg and the brown First Cafe. Unfortunately, the resale on those has skyrocketed, and it's a little too steep for me right now. I wouldn't say I settled, but these are nice too. Granted, full black colorways rarely gets the heat, but the silhouette and the details on these sneakers are just amazing. The materials are a combination of suede and soft leather with nylon straps. I wish Jordan and Nike would put in more effort like this on their releases. I think we're so conditioned on the generic packaging that we don't even notice them anymore. I thought this will be an easy wear, but the bulkiness made it a little trickier than usual. The bulkiness is pretty much the result of having two tongues and heel counters. They're very comfy and plush though. The double tongue can be easily remedied as one of them is removable. I honestly don't mind it. I like respecting and leaving the design the way it was intended. I really wish I had the chance to go for the previous releases. I would love to have a complete set. I was too distracted looking at the Jordan releases. If you're looking for alternatives to the slew of Dunks and Air Jordan 1s we've been getting, I highly suggest taking a look at any of the Bad Bunny forums. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.